Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's December 9th, 2024, and recently I posted a video with Thea and I sitting down and going over our one-year review of this GE Profile all-in-one or one-and-done washer-dryer heat pump technology system and all. And I promised in that video that I would go over some of the reading fault codes and going through some of the diagnostic tests that you can activate by just using the user interface here. So first thing I'm going to do is turn the power off. Once the power is off, I'm going to go ahead and press and hold the play and pause button, or start and pause button here. It takes about 7 to 10 seconds for the fault codes to actually come up. Okay, so here we have our fault codes, and as the last 5 fault codes it stores here since there's been an issue. So it's the 353 is basically the lint being accumulated over here in this filter and not allowing the cycle to complete and prevent it from overheating and all. So those are all related to that overheating and all. But so in order to exit out of the fault codes, we just go ahead and turn the machine off. Now, in order to get into the service mode, we're going to press 3 buttons. The pause while it is off, press the play and pause, and the smart dispense detergent and timed dry. All 3 simultaneously, and just hold them for a few seconds here. Then we enter into service mode tests. So the auto will run all the tests in here, and so it's just bringing up the full list now. And you can go down through each one of the different systems it's going to test, and there's a whole bunch. I think there's 21 different tests that it can go through. We'll just go down the line here. Yep. So, and we're back at auto now. So you could see with fault codes, we could go ahead and clear fault. Let me see, can we clear fault codes? And then we want to, sorry, I just hit another button here. So I'm going to select fault codes again, and then we can go ahead and go down. So these are the ones. Now, can we go back up? Is there a clear the fault codes here? All right, we're going to go back, select back. I believe that there is a fault code clear, but you can see all the different tests that you can run. Oh, clear fault codes. So select clear fault codes. Select clear fault codes. Now select back, and then go back up, back, okay, and go down through the rest of the tests that can be run, and just cycle down, and it'll go right to the top one again. And so if I want to run all of the tests in here, I'll just go ahead and select the auto, and I believe that'll go through all system diagnostics, and that'll take some time for it to do, but this is a way of running all the tests. So here, doing the door switch closed, locked. And I'll probably end up speeding this up. So hot valve completed test, bleach valve completed. So it's just going to go through and run all the system diagnostics here, which will take a little while. showing the diagnostic screen, but you can see each step going on down in the washer dryer unit itself. Well, apparently the full auto test is completed. Let me just see. Sorry. So it looks like everything looks good. The only one in red, I'll go back to that. It says yes, the FC. I don't know if that's a fault or whatever, but it says yes. So we'll go ahead and go down one to get all the way to the top. We'll select go back, and then we're going to go ahead and go out of the turn the unit off. Now with it being off, we're going to press and hold the start and pause switch here for a few seconds to bring up fault codes. Okay, here are the fault codes. I'll be modifying the filter once again, so I'll make a video showing how I modify it with the foam insulation. I'm going to modify this foam insulation for the next time I do it because it doesn't last forever. But that's it for today's video. I just wanted to show you what the interface looks like and how we can check and see what the fault code numbers are and how to do these smart tests, or you could run each one of those tests individually. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.